Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. Today, I'm going to show you what I got from Amazon Prime Wardrobe. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome. Glad to have you here today. Thanks for hanging out with me. Okay, so I ordered a Prime Wardrobe clothing haul. And what it is if you have Prime Wardrobe, you are, hold on, I'm trying to move this thing out of the way. You are allowed to pick out 8 items totaling $300 or less and have them sent to your home to try on. They do not charge you for those items until you check out. You have, I think, 7 days to check out and send everything back. They give you a label, which is like this in this little packet. There is a invoice and a return label that shows what I want to buy or how much it costs, and then you put it in the same box that you sent it in. So we're going to start. Let me see where we're going to start. I need glasses. Hold on. First, I start with glasses, right? Let's start with this first pair of jeans that is on top. Okay, these are the William Rast Jr.'s Bermuda roll cuff denim short. And they are $52.82. I will show you these. And I will tell you as we go what I thought about these shorts or what I thought about these items. And if I tried them on, you'll see a split screen showing you me trying it on. Now, if it was too tight to try on, I didn't try it on. Or my bathing suit. I'll show you the bathing suit, but I'm not doing bathing suit pictures right now. So, okay, here they are. It has a lot of destruction down the front of the short. It's got a rolled cuff, but you can unroll the cuff. It's not permanently there. It has the zip front, but let me see what size these are. I think they're a 10. And then it has pockets in the back. So I tried these on and they did fit good, all except the waist area was a little tight for me. And I want comfort, so I did not get these. So that was my first item that I'm sending back. Okay, these are just a set of, let me turn them around the other way. These are a set of bottoms for swim bottoms. They're Catalina. I think they were 1621. They are a high rise, you know, over your belly button type of bottom. I've been looking for a black one that is maybe a little looser, not a pair of shorts, because all I have is those little shorts and I wanted a regular bathing suit bottom. So this is a maybe, so we'll just kind of put it over in this one. The next item, I love this item, guys. Okay, it is the Amazon Essentials Women's Patterned Tank Maxi Dress. I got it, let's see, it's in the color black and white. It's palm printed. So great for going to the tropics. It is $26.90. I will put the split screen. I love this dress. It goes, I'm short, so it goes all the way to the floor. But in the, hold on, I got to put my camera. My iPad's going dead. Hold on. Here we go. It has a rounded neck. Okay. It has, you know, the rounded armpit area. And there's no waist. Like it curves in the waist, but it's not you know, where you get that elastic waist. I do not like that at all. So it is very, very long, as you see. And it does not have a split. It is straight down to the bottom. Let me see something. I don't know. I don't think it had pockets. No, it doesn't have pockets. But like I said, this is the print. I really loved it. I got it in a size medium. I thought, well, maybe I need a large, but no, the medium is roomy enough. I might even have been able to go down to a small, but I think the medium is really comfortable. So that's on my maybe pile too. Okay, I also picked out another pair of shorts, which were more affordable. These ones are $23.13. They are the Gloria Vanderbilt Women's Trendy Utility 6-inch mid-thigh short, and it's denim. These fit good. So I tried these on, and there's not distressing on these. It's got that little, see the little button at the bottom like utility shorts have. And then in the front, let me move this out of the way. Lots of tags. Kind of like the utility pocket right here on both sides. There is a coin pocket on the right side right here. And then it had just 2 pockets in the back. So they were the length that I need to be wearing, probably a 5 or 6 inch. They are denim. They did feel good. They fit. They had a little bit of room in the waist. You know, you go on vacation, you always gain weight because you drink and you eat everything, and we're going to an all-inclusive. So I want to make sure I can still wear the shorts, so I'll probably wear them the first day I go. So these right here are $23.13, and those are on my list to keep also. Okay. Okay, this next one is a bathing suit top. It is called Bar 3 Women's Swimwear brand Bandini Tankini top. And let's see how much it is. It's $22.67. And it's super cute, guys. Okay, this is what it looks like. It has, you know, regular straps on it. It is adjustable in the back. It has little tassels hanging from it that make it so cute. It's white. It's got like yellowish gold colored leaves with blues and teals. It is beautiful. I love it, but it didn't fit. It was a little too big. So I will not be getting this. Next item. I really did love that though. Now this is an item that I ordered on a previous one, Prime. I didn't record it though, and it was too big, so I got it in a smaller size. So it's called Jack and Missy Women's Hooded Terry Cloth Cover-Up in gray medium size. And the price is $29.24. And it is really cute. I had it in a large. I was like, man, I'm swimming. So this is what it looks like. And it just goes straight down. But it is terry cloth. You guys know who have been around terry cloth before what terry cloth feels like, and it is awesome. So it has a V-neck, okay, and it has a working hood. Let me just see, and it has ties for the hood, so you can make the hood tighter. You see, here's the ties, but it is really, really pretty. When I went into my closet, hold on. When I went into my closet and I looked to see what I had, I already have enough cover-ups. So I will not be getting this one. I have to try to stick to it. Let's see. Now I got 2 pair of earrings, guys. I never ordered from Amazon, but these were so cute. Okay, hold on. There they are. Okay. So these are called the Bumblebee stud earrings, and they are $18.50, and they are adorable, guys. Wait till you see these. Okay, how cute are these? I haven't tried them on because I know how earrings fit, so I am thinking about these. Super cute. I don't have anything like that, not at all. So I am thinking about those. And one more item was another pair of earrings. Okay, these are the Betsey Johnson mismatched black bubble heart and gold bow drop earrings, and they are $22.30, and this is them. So once I got these, I looked at them and I thought, this is not my style. So I'm going to be sending these back. So I have decisions to make, guys. Let me know what you think. Okay, put those in the box. Here are the items that I am looking at. So I am definitely looking at these shorts. Okay. And I am looking at the dress and maybe the bathing suit bottoms and the earrings. Let me know, guys. So I thought this was pretty good. I picked out my own items. So I prefer to pick out my own items instead of someone else picking them out. For me to do it, it's free. I know what brands I like. If I want to try a new brand, I just go and pick something out. It used to be a lot harder to do, but it's not as bad anymore. So I have 7 days from the time it hit my doorstep. I'll probably send it back tomorrow. So hopefully you guys got to see the try on of the items I did try on. And let me know what you think. So subscribers, always thank you very much for being here and hanging out with me. If you are not subscribed to my channel and like these type of videos, I also do travel vlogs, weekly vlogs. I do beauty, skincare, makeup. I do a little bit of cooking. I'm on the keto diet. I do videos about blindness. I am legally blind, so I invite you to live life with me. So, what do you think? Okay, guys, I am going to let you go and comment below, please, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.